Look at these three flowers. These three flowers have been given by this beautiful tree to me. And they are beautiful. Beautiful, isn't it? It's raining. Sky is showering all its love. I love rain so very much. It's gorgeous and the sky is beautiful. I love you. I love you, rainfall. Oh God, I can't see this properly. Look at this. This is a skylight. I love you, rain. I love you. So, the message for today is, you know, the rain that you see here is, you know, it doesn't ask, what are you gonna give me? Kind of thing. So, it just gives us beautiful water to drink. It gives water to the plants. It makes them survive. It makes us survive. If without water we can't survive. But rain doesn't charge us anything. It's beautiful in its own way, isn't it? And this tree gave me these flowers, and it did not charge me anything. It just gave me flowers with lots of love. Look at the flowers here. Let me show you. Look at this. Look at these flowers. And look at the raindrops. They're beautiful, isn't it? So all this is free for us. They're all free for us. And we are everywhere and we don't know what to do. So basically nature is telling us beautiful things. Nature is telling us, giving us beautiful lessons that it's not always about, you know, what is it for me. Just, you know, sometimes do things for free. That will make your heart happy. Believe me, when you do good and when you do good for free without expecting anything, universe and God will love you the most and you will be happy. So many people are actually complaining that they are unhappy. I know they are celebrities. I know they all have money. They are having fantastic lifestyle, but sometimes suddenly they just don't understand why, but they cry. They don't understand why, but they get tears. And so that means that the universe is telling there is something that you need to do. We're not going to take the money with us. We're not going to take the titles with us. We're not going to take anything that is just around us. Nothing is going to come with us when we go. When we are born also, we did not bring anything. So this is the life that we have. And this life, we need to make the best use of it by doing our best to help fellow human beings. Yeah, so this is the story of rainfall, story of flowers, and story of love. Hope it reaches to as many people as possible, and hope people will stop thinking what is it for me, and hope people will start doing things freely, confidently, and do not escape, do not run away when somebody asks you for help. So this is a test for you. Universe is sending you someone basically with a problem, and that is an opportunity for you to solve that problem. So don't, you know, run away from problems. Face them. Listen to the problems of people. See, even sky is talking. I love you, sky. I love you, rain. I love you, trees. So yeah, so everyone, listen to problems of people and solve them. Be useful, and you need not, you know, whenever you do something good, it comes multiplied to you. So for example, if you're giving something, any amount or any help for someone, the help for you when you need it, it will come in a multiplied way. So believe in universe, believe in God, and believe in yourself. You're not going to lose anything. And just be as good as rainfall, just be as good as trees, just be as good as universe. I love you all. This is Trikala. Enjoy.